Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Nyotrep Youth Council seek explanation on the use of smart meter. Cricket Tournament 2021 organised by Singh Samla Maulai Mauro gets underway, and the 2-week one-show animation workshop will be held at the Anthropology Department of North Eastern Hill University, Shillong from the 16th of this month. And now the news in detail. The Nyotrep Youth Council today sought explanation from the state government. In this regard, the HYC today organised a meeting at Shillong Polytechnic in Maulai to discuss the pros and cons on the introduction of smart meters, in which Meghalaya legislators, members of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and headmen of Shillong were invited to the meeting to give their opinions and suggestions. The meeting could not take place because these public representatives and members of the traditional bodies did not turn up for the meeting. Speaking to the media, General Secretary of HYC, R. Sindrem, said that as the meeting could not take place, therefore his organisation has no other option but to distribute the pamphlets which seek various explanations from the Meghalaya Power Minister James K. Sangma on the introduction of smart meters in the state.
Smart metering project hang ni po chala ka jongi tam kan kum ki jongi jongi ka jingpa jong ka sarkar dalam menteri kami ka smart meter project hang ni po sor Shillong ada khapsor nadu si ka beneng kong ngila penpau ka jing persya ngila dep manlit bu wat ya ka jing tho ru akhmat jong minister in charge jong ka power department bu James K Sangma bandawa na u bu dei ban ai ka jing pensai BD bakani ka project bat kumju ru bandawan u ba ude pan pensangi aswashi por ya kani ka project kat hadu ba ngimpat ya syai la kani ka project kandai ka jing du nong ya ka jala ne kandai ka jing yu nong ya ka jala bat ya kinong shong snong ka jala he bro kawai.
The Anthropology Department of North Eastern Hill University, Shillong, is organising a 2-week one-show animation workshop which will be held from the 16th of this month at the Nehu campus in the Anthropology Department. The aim of this workshop is to record, document and translate the oral narratives of two indigenous communities of Northeast India, that is the one-show of Arunachal Pradesh and Tangkhul in Manipur. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club, Dr. Tara Douglas, Postdoctoral Research Fellow Department of Anthropology, North Eastern Hill University, said the is under constant pressure by modernity that threatens the indigenous mode of knowledge transmission, including storytelling, from one generation to the next through oral tradition. She also informed that the one-show animation workshop on one of the indigenous tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, which is part of a larger project, is also scheduled to take place during the workshop.
It's a research and community media project. Actually, it is called The Stories of Our Ancestors is the name of the bigger project, and the one-show animation workshop, which is starting next week, is one chapter of that project. As I mentioned, it is a research project and media project. And it's kicking off here in Shillong at the Northeastern Hill University at Nehu in the Department of Anthropology. We are organising the 2-week-long workshop. It's the one-show animation workshop. And we are inviting at least 18 participants coming from outside of Shillong. There will be a group of people from the one-show community in Longding district in Arunachal Pradesh, and we're also inviting some students of animation and digital media and also some media professionals. And this project, this event is bringing together this group of people, and we're going to look at the folklores, the mythologies and the oral histories of the one-show people in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, this project also has involved and is currently involving field research, whereby the researcher and the media people, we go off to the village and we interact and we communicate with the elder people, and we record their stories and their memories and their folklores and their mythologies, and then we translate it for
KHADC member Mitchell Wankar, who represents the KHADC Laban constituency, distributed corrugated roofing sheets and solar lanterns to the organic farmers of Laos Otun today. The purpose of giving these items is to encourage these farmers for leading the way for other farmers to opt for organic farming. The program was attended by the head of Otun, Lursha Shilla, members of Sengkanthai and residents of Laos Otun area.
Chuan ra no kerki na kabenta begini gini ban bakin pendap ya gakam bat khamtam me ba ka jingrap ka jingrang ani bet kan ya renti te ngilai ba hangni ngidon gi SG gi bapen mi yoten ngidon gat kathi ka luom ga jongi ka pangila benta khandiat ya baro ki ba pre bandrat te ngai ba ka jing trestom ga jong hi namar unong rap hi udah buat luom Unang rap udah buat lom, umday tang ya kani kajaka kajongi, umday tang setiap kajongi, jong kari baka percaya berkawi.
The second division final match between the occult SYM versus Metallica took place on the 12th March 2021, in which the Metallica won the toss and elected to bat first and scored 91 runs with 10 wickets out in 15.5 overs, while the Occult Cricket Club won the match by 2 wickets. But Peter MacDonald Khasawyant and the trophies were sponsored by the family of late Shri Ratanlal Singhania in his memory. The cricket tournament 2021 organized by Singh Samla Maulai Mauro at Maulai Mauro ground began today amidst enthusiastic participation of young people drawn from the different localities of Maulai. 32 teams are taking part in this cricket tournament to roam the glittering trophy. The tournament was declared open by the president of Singh Samla Maulai Mauro. Speaking on the occasion, the president Samuel Buam said the tournament will not only help the young people of Maulai to exhibit their cricket skills but will also help them to avoid bad habits of drugs taking and consumption of liquor. Large numbers of residents, including elderly persons, were seen at the opening match of the cricket tournament.
Jang kaseng samla mauro ki bala simkhia ban penlong ye ganika tournament naga benta ki khon samla naga benta ki nongsong snong jaga snong maulai ban hikai lane ban an kuntu kan pham ye ki naga benta bakin yat hagalenti ka badai ba hagalenti ka bapha kumbala mai phang de rang ba snong ba ki balong kongsa sembut kongsan hagalika por ba benta asngo ban pasat jimbot kumni rus indian menentu than yang kepuar ke jongpi di sokmen nak kebentar ke seng samla malai moro kepala la penlong ya kani ke tournament agaba hadu live artillery ki team kilawan bensim benta kata tik tang na pok asno malai di sokmen ya kan nak kebentar ke seng samla malai moro kepala penlong ya kani ke tournament tu ngin ai ke jing thakti nak kebentar kani ke jing simkhia ke jongki ya ke jing la ke jongki penlong ya kani ke tournament hagani ke step ke pemerintah Life artillery ki giwan ban simenta hagani ka tournament kani ka dei sibenta ban kersu thia ya ki khun samla jaga snong maulai ba kin emsingi haki kamile kai ka jing phai mat jaga sang samla maulai moro chaka cricket tournament kalong bagi haga jing suthu ka janga kalong bagi sngo kitram nomor ba haki tournament gibaran hangte hapo pulu kat ka bangai I manga bala pulong ka MS ka MCA mo ka Meghalaya Cricket Association napo maulai ngathai mden team Tekani kan dei leksi kan dei kawin ke jing prat lenti ke ba lakum do napok mulai kan dei bandon no ke tim kan dei bandon no ke tim ke ban lek ban represent an ya kasnong mulai da ke bangin yo ya ki players ki batbet na kan ke tournament ki ban lek
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.